sac. You know that this sac here is called the pericardium. We remove it, you get to see this thing known as the apex of the heart, and then you have the base. Now on this side, you see this structure. This is the right auricle. That's the left auricle, right? So you see the auricles, you see the apex and base. Do you see this vessel right here? What vessel do you think this one is? This is the pulmonary trunk. Right? Yeah, this is the pulmonary trunk. Right?
The pulmonary vein is like under the throat.
There's some around here. But we cut those. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Pulmonary trunk. This is pulmonary trunk, right? Which means that the one above it has to be the aorta. That's what I'm trying to see. No, it's a oh, is this part of the aortic area? Probably. Oh. Anyway, so this is the aorta, which means that this is the. Okay, so everyone, this is the. No. This is the brachiocephalic trunk. Brachiocephalic trunk. This is the left subclavian. This one is the superior vena cava. This one is the right brachiocephalic vein. This is the left brachiocephalic vein. And if I move this here, we now get to see three vessels. We get to see three vessels right here. One that is. Oh, there's a third one. That third one right there. That's the right subclavian. Right common carotid artery, which is this artery here. Right common carotid artery, and this one is the left common carotid artery, which is this one right here, which means that this is the left subclavian. Now don't forget that there is a nerve running down the side of the heart on this side. What nerve is this here? Phrenic nerve. Can you two see it? Yeah or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So remember, this is the phrenic nerve. Okay? Okay, so you got the phrenic nerve here. Moving this way. So I won't talk about these vessels because that's not on being practical. That's next time. On this side, I cut it on the tabs, but you can kind of see an interesting vessel right there. You see that? So you guys on that side, that's the esophagus, right? See that? It's the esophagus right there. Right? It's the esophagus. And then you guys on this side. See that? That's the esophagus. Okay? Right? Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Make sure you guys have pictures. It's the esophagus. It varies on each cat. Right?
We can't see the hemiacycles. They don't have one.
It's their body is really narrow to the point that they sometimes do not have a hemiazygote. Cord.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, what's this glistening thing here? Parietal pleura. Not peritoneum. What is this glistening thing here? Parietal peritoneum. Parietal pleura. Parietal peritoneum. Okay. Technically, this is part of the diaphragm. So, parietal peritoneum. Diaphragm where you guys cut. Okay, so we did that. Now we go down here. We see that this here is the. Yeah, this is a cat stomach. And hanging off of the cat stomach should be this thing known as the. Yeah, this is the greater omentum. Right? And then greater omentum comes from Dorsal mesenteric. This thing is the spleen. I flip this over, we now get to see a cottage cheese looking thing. Right, see that right there? So this are the pancreas as well. Okay. Okay. This way. You now get to see this big organ known as the liver, and if I move this stuff around, do you see that sac right there? That's the gallbladder, right? See that? No, I'm not gonna ask you the names of the lobes of the gallbladder, of the liver. I don't know for lecture. Yeah, that's the gallbladder, and you can kind of, and on this one I kind of showed the cystic duct. But I'll use a model. It's like I can barely see it myself. And it is there. Cystic duct is here. Yeah, it's here. Yeah. Here's the. Well, that is the common bile duct. Right there. It's a common bile duct. On this cat. But I'll use a model for those. Anyway, so bladder, not bladder. Stomach. I'm sorry, I'm losing it. This is the. This here is the duodenum, right? Which means that this is the jejunum, which means that this one here is the. First find it though. This one is the ileum, which means that if I do it like
Rainbow.
if I do like a little rainbow, then that is the cecum. They don't have one. No. But the appendix would have been here in the cecum. Right. This part really would be the ascending, transverse colon, and then descending colon. Do you see the little squiggly part here? See that little squiggly part? This would have been into the sigmoid, into the rectum, and then the anus. Now, we did do some stuff here. So this is the kidney. You guys know that this part of the cat kidney, these two vessels are the renal arteries and renal vein. So this is the ureter. Great. And here we can see a really nice gonadal vein. There you go. This one here is the gonadal artery, or the testicular artery. Yeah, it's a boy. Now, let's talk about some of these nice vessels here on the side that you guys need to know in case we pin them on the cadaver or on the cat or on the model. What is this one right here? See that? See that trunk? What is this one? Superior mesenteric. What is this one? Inferior mesenteric. See that? Inferior mesenteric. Good. Again, the veins were not done well on this cat, so I can't really show it to you. But you guys saw it on your cat, because I remember I saw some good ones on your guys' cat last week. But just remember that you can see. This is kind of a mess. Here, oh, okay. Well, on this cat, this looks like it's the. This is going to the large intestine, so this one here looks like it's the inferior mesenteric artery. Looks like that's the inferior mesenteric vein, but again, I can't really tell with this cat. It's not prepped so well. So for the veins, either a model or I'll pick a really good cat that has it very nice. I did show you guys, right?
Yeah.
Last week? Okay, so there's no worry with that. Oh, what is this vessel? Inferior vena cava. Okay. Now remember, what I just did, I just told you the names of these things, but a lot of it won't be just what's this, what's that. There'll be a lot of second order questions, right? Let's go over models now. So Remember, if you can put this capital, it'd be great. Not now.
What? Me?
Yeah, that was the deal we had. They should be the...
I'm not. I get that. What did you say? No, you put that in the bag. How was it?
That was the deal. There are a lot of models here, so I'm going to breeze through these. Alright, so it'd probably be easy for you guys to come up. Like, these models are small. Okay. You got 25 minutes. You can do that. I know, right? Hey, but you guys got to review, so. So remember, livers like this. So you flip it this way, right? Yes. This here. This is the left hepatic duct. This one here is the right hepatic duct. This one here is the common hepatic duct. This here is the cystic duct. This guys look at the board. This here is the common bile duct. Can everyone see?
You just still
Right.
stand still.
Common bile duct. So left hepatic, right hepatic, common hepatic, cystic, common bile. Now, this model has a vein right here. What vein do you think this one is? Hepatic vein, which goes to the inferior vena cava.
What's the difference with the hepatic?
Well, common means that it's going to split,
Oh, okay.
and this hepatic vein goes to the inferior vena cava. Right? I don't have it dropped, but it's it was from the hepatic portal venous system. It was from. You guys drew it too. It was from this thing. The hepatic vein. Anyway, so there's that one. This thing. So this one is the right. Sorry, the left. Yeah, this is the left. So this is the
Upper.
lower lobe.
The oblique. Left oblique fissure.
Left oblique fissure. This one is the upper, middle, lower, horizontal, oblique. Right. This greater omentum from dorsal mesentery. This from dorsal mesentery. They broke it. Oh, not my fault. This is the
Ilium.
This is the ilium. This is the
Cecum.
cecum. This is the ascending colon. This is the
Appendix. What?
appendix.
Appendix. The stomach.
Wait. Are you sure it's the stomach?
Yes. Yes.
Maybe something else. So this is the stomach. What's this called? What? Fundus. This is the greater omentum. Greater curvature. Lesser curvature.
Cardiac.
Cardiac sphincter. Pyloric sphincter. Besides having the secretory cells, what else does it do?
Increase surface area.
Increase the surface area. Right. What hangs off of here? Greater omentum. Wow, 2 people. This is the thyroid cartilage. This is the cricoid cartilage. This is the
Cartilaginous ring.
cartilaginous rings, or in other words, this whole thing is the trachea. Trachea, right? I'll leave that there. fluid gets past the epiglottis and enters our glottis, we start to cough. That's when you say it went down the wrong tube. Right? That's when. Anyways. Alright, so this thing. No, I haven't even started. What's this?
Alien.
This is the ilium. This is the ilium. This is the cecum. This is the appendix. Hey, what vessel is this one?
Ileocolic artery.
Ileocolic artery. Good. Why'd you hesitate? What vessel is this one?
Middle colic artery?
Middle colic artery.
Nice.
Because this is the transverse. What vessel is this one?
Where's it going?
Superior mesenteric artery?
What?
Superior mesenteric? Superior mesenteric artery? No?
This is the inferior
Oh, because
mesenteric
it's
artery.
close to the hind gut.
Right? This is the inferior mesenteric artery, which means that this one here is the,
Is that the left colic?
yeah, this is the left colic artery. Right? Which means that this one here is the sigmoidal artery, which means that this one here is the superior rectal. Right? Not hard. What's that? Esophagus. What's that? The aorta? Yeah, it's the aorta. What's this? Superior vena cava. What's that? Left brachiocephalic vein. Left brachiocephalic vein. This one's the right brachiocephalic vein. This is the
Jugular vein?
jugular vein. This is also the jugular vein, which means this is the right subclavian, and this and the one over here should have been the
Left subclavian.
subclavian. What's this one? Aorta. What about this one here? Trunk. This one? And this one? Subclavian. What about this thing? Left primary bronchi. This one here?
Right primary bronchi.
Right primary bronchi. Thyroid. Cricoid. Trachea. Oh yeah, no. Oh, thyroid gland. Not thymus. Thymus would be over here. Thyroid. We'll get to the endocrine system later. Sub. I forgot to go over this in my last class, but they can figure it out. Basic stuff. Which lives in the scrotum.
Yeah.
I didn't go over this one, but sure. It was basic stuff, right? So, ovary. This is the uterus. This is the bladder. Vagina. Labia majora. Labia minor. I think that was more detailed than what you guys needed for this time, but we'll go into more detail next time, in case she puts this on the exam. Hang on, there's still a lot more. Plenty of time. Oh yeah, I still gotta go over the heart. Nah. I'll go over this one. You guys can't see. Ow. That hurt. I still can't see.
Why don't you just move a little bit of this stuff?
Well, it's because, hang on, I'll use that one. It's probably because you guys can't see. Most of you guys see? Remember, you can sit on the tables. But anyway, this guy will definitely be on there. What is that right there? Celiac trunk. What is this one here? Superior mesenteric. What is that one? Inferior mesenteric. What is this? Inferior vena cava. That. Aorta. Yeah, I was just pointing at the aorta. What is this one?
Artery?
Right subclavian artery. This is the right subclavian vein. This is the right jugular vein. This one's the right common iliac artery. Did you say jugular artery? Yeah. Sorry, Boston. Right common carotid artery.
Okay.
So that's way down here.
Yeah.
That was that one. Right common carotid artery. I almost said iliac. Carotid artery. Okay. What about this one here?
Left
Right. Can you guys see? Alright. What? Left common carotid artery, and then this one over here.
subclavian artery.
Left subclavian artery. What about this one?
Left brachiocephalic.
Left brachiocephalic vein. And this one?
Right
Brachiocephalic
brachiocephalic.
vein. What about this one here? Around. That's the hemiazygous.
Yeah, left.
Yeah, that's the hemiazygous. The azygous is on the right. But no, this one's the hemiazygous. The one that would be above it would be the accessory hemiazygous. But the azygous is on this side. Yeah. It's not even showing you. Okay.
What about the intercostal?
Well,
Would it be this?
it'll be these ones. Yeah. See? This one here? You see those three? Those three there are is the intercostal artery, vein, and nerve.
Can you see?
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Intercostal artery, vein, and nerve. Yeah, why, what's up? It's called van.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That.
Right? In this case, the vein is more deep than the artery, which is where usually arteries are more deep than veins. Don't know why. But did you guys see those? The intercostal artery, vein, and nerve? As she plays with the figure. Right? Okay.
Is that the base? What's the base of that? Come down here.
Oh, the cephalic and
Ah, yes. This looks like it's the basilic. This is the cephalic. So cephalic, basilic. Yeah. Right? I mean, yes, you can do this kind of, but it's easier if you go like that, right?
Yeah.
That's how I remember it. So this is the basilic. And that'll be the cephalic.
No.
Wait, no, other way around.
Lost it. This, wow. It's been a long day, guys.
Basilic and then
This is
cephalic.
basilic. This is cephalic. Okay. Let's see. Nothing of this stuff here because this is all new stuff. So we won't talk about this until next time. Ooh, green stuff.
Lymphatic.
That's a lymph node, and that's a lymph vessel, right? Well, I guess that was new stuff for today, so I guess that won't count, right?
Is this sternum highly on this?
It is not. I can't even find the. Yeah, that's all I can think of at the moment for this guy. Let me see if there's. I mean, last class I went all the way till. There's still 10 minutes. I mean, oh,
The heart.
the heart. Yeah. We're the last lab. You guys got plenty of time to put away the cats.
Go one in the back.
Let me go over the heart.
What?
Okay. What What I do? What? Okay, hang on. Yeah, let's go over the heart. So I'm gonna. So I'll do the heart and then. Oh, that's right. This one. This heart. I don't know why I put gloves on.
Do we have to know that one?
Oh yeah. Wait, you guys have already seen it. Anyway, so guys, this thing. Yes. This part is called the and this is called the base. These are the auricles. This is the
Anterior interventral branch of something.
the anterior interventricular branch of the left coronary artery. Good. This is the pulmonary trunk. This is the
Aorta.
aorta. This is the
Superior vena cava.
this is the vagus trunk. This one's the left common carotid artery. This is the left subclavian. This is the right brachiocephalic vein. This one's the left brachiocephalic vein. This is the this is the ligamentum arteriosum. In the embryo is the ductus arteriosus. In here, you see a depression. Yeah, everything got closed. See that? See the depression? Right? In the adult, it's the fossa ovalis, and in the embryo is the foramen ovale. So this served as a
Connection.
okay, yeah. So it served as a bypass for the lungs, where it took oxygenated blood from in the right atrium in the embryo and moved it to the left atrium, so it can go to the right to the left ventricle and into the aorta. The ductus arteriosus in the embryo served the same function, where it took blood that made it to the right ventricle and into the pulmonary trunk and shunted it back into the aorta. Right? I'm sure he mentioned that. Okay. Thank you. Can you pass me a probe? That's on the table. Okay. Do you guys want the large heart or this one? This one's fine, right? I don't know. Whichever. Okay. So first thing you do, if I put this on the exam, you need to find that it says anterior or posterior, right? So this is posterior. This one is anterior. Because here's the thing, right?
Yep.
Because this is the right ventricle.
Left ventricle.
If I move it up, hey, look at that. What was it? Right? Now, if I stick the probe through this thing, I'm sticking in through the pulmonary trunk. And what chamber should I be in?
Ventricle? Right.
Yeah, stop listening. Is it? Right ventricle. And look. Aha. It is in the right ventricle.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
See that? Because from the right ventricle, it goes to the pulmonary trunk. If I stick this here, where am I in now? It's the aorta. And what chamber should I be in? The left ventricle. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Left ventricle. Okay. Okay. If I jam it through here, what vessel is that? Superior vena cava. But what if I stick it through here? Where is it exiting? Inferior vena cava. So there's superior and inferior. Very neat, huh? Technically, the sheep's like this, so it's going like that. Okay? Alright. But, where am I in now?
Right atrium.
Right atrium. That's true. I am in the right atrium. See that? Pectinate muscle. That's what it's called. Right there. That's pectinate muscle, and
All right.
and this I just got it, and this is tuberculate carnate.
All right.
You're like, what? See, but this is the right atrium. Okay. So what valve is this here then? This is the tricuspid valve. You want to try to be right, even on the exam, right? This is the bicuspid valve. See, tricuspid or bicuspid. Okay. I prefer the bicuspid instead of mitral.
Okay.
Bicuspid, tricuspid, right? Okay. This thing here is called the interventricular septum. It separates the right ventricle from the left ventricle. You can't see at all, huh?
No, I can't.
Okay. 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 What is this thing here?
Oracle?
That's the oracle. Right oracle. And this one is the
Left oracle.
left oracle. What is this?
Aorta?
No.
No, wait.
No. Yes. Who said that? Brachiocephalic trunk. No one got it from my lab. Only one person from Nick's lab got it. Wait, but I showed you guys. So no, I'll be alright with it. Alright? This is the brachiocephalic trunk. Right? Because where it's coming out of, right there, that's the aorta. See? It's like that. You see the arch going. It's how they cut it. Now, real quick. You guys see that big hole right here? What went through that?
Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary arteries went through here. Right? They cut it. So, what chamber is this?
Right. Left. Yeah.
Left atrium. Left atrium. Any questions? I know that was a lot. I know there may be some few things I'm kind of forgetting. Oh, don't forget about the teeth. Yeah, remember on the first day? See, Nicholas teach. Yeah.
I read the manual. He
Oh. Oh, I told you guys.
Heterodonts?
We're heterodont because we have different types of teeth. The incisors, the canines, the premolars, and the molars. Right? That's called heterodont. We also have two sets of teeth, baby teeth and adult teeth. Right? I'm only mentioning that because it's in the first lab, man. It's in the first lab. That's why I mentioned it. Okay? Other than that, please don't
Goodbye.
procrastinate. All right.